Hello students, now we are going to do the questions based on the sonar as well as on echoes. We have already seen that what is sonar and what is echoes. So according to that, there is one formula, that is 2D is equals to V into T. D is for distance, V is for velocity, T is for time. Now question I have written over here. The question is, a boy hears an echo of his own voice from a distant hill after 1 second. So time period is given as 1 second. After 1 second, the boy is able to hear his own voice as an echo. The speed of the sound, so speed is V, that is equals to 340 meter per second. What is the distance of the hill from the boy? So distance we have to identify. So we are going to use this formula. So according to that, if I want to find distance, so 2D is equals to V multiplied by T. D is equals to V multiplied by T upon 2. V is for velocity 340. T is for time. Yeah, remember that time should be in seconds. Velocity should be in meter per seconds and distance will be in meters. Okay, so 2 and this 340 will be cancelled, and what will be the final value over here? That is 170 meters. It means by using the formula, that is 2D is equals to V into T, we have solved this question. Now I'll see the another questions which is related to sonar as well as on echoes. Now in second question, it is given that it takes 2.4 seconds to record an echo of a sonar if the speed of the sound in water is 1450 meter per second. Then find the depth of the ocean. Depth means what? The distance. So how much time it takes? It takes 2.4 seconds to record an echo. Echo means what? The total distance will be what? It will be included what the sound has been produced and from where it will be hitting back. The total distance will be covered there. So if the speed of the sound in water, so velocity is given to you, that is 1450 meter per second. Velocity मिल गया. अब क्वेश्चन में क्या पूछा है? फाइंड द डेप्थ. यानी मैंने जहां से साउंड प्रोड्यूस किया वहां से साउंड का डेप्थ क्या होगा वो आइडेंटिफाई करना. एंड एको में क्या होता है कि जो साउंड प्रोड्यूस किया नीचे तक गया और फिर ऊपर आया, तो टोटल डिस्टेंस होता है. So we don't have to find that total distance. We just have to find the depth between me and as well as an ocean. Okay. So according to the formula, 2D is equals to V into T. Why we used to take 2D? This is the reason. Okay. Why? Because the distance between me and ocean, and again reflecting back, that distance we have taken as 2D. So D is equals to V into T by 2. So now V is how much? 1450. Here it is 2.4 seconds. So can I write 24 seconds, 24 by 10, and 2 is already here. So 0, 0 gets cancelled. Here it will be cancelled as 12. And if I do the multiplication, 12 5 is 66, 12 4 is 48. That is 1740 meter will be the actual depth of the ocean. And if it is 1740, you can write it as 1.74 kilometers. Both are correct over here. Third question, what it is given? A sonar device on a submarine sends out a signal and receives an echo after 5 seconds. Okay, so time period is how much? That is 5 seconds. Calculate the speed of sound in water. What you have to find? You have to find the speed, that is V. If the distance of the object from the submarine is 3625 meters. If this is the part, if this is the distance, then what will be the actual speed you have to identify. We know that the formula 2D is equals to V multiplied by T. We want to find V. So V is equals to 2D by T. So 2 multiplied by D. D means what? 3 625 upon 5 seconds. Now your cancellation will be possible. 5 7s are 35, 5 2s are 10 and 5 5s are 25. So 725 will be 1450 meter per second will be the actual speed. In fourth question, it is given that a man fires a shot and hears an echo from a cliff after 2 seconds. Let us consider here it as a cliff, okay? And from there he is hearing a sound after 2 seconds. He walks 85 meters towards the cliff and the echo of a sound shot is now heard after 1.5 seconds. What is the velocity and how far the man was from the cliff when he heard the first echo? For example, if man is standing over here, we don't know the actual distance between the cliff and a man. So let us consider the distance between the man and a cliff be as d. I am taking it as a distance d. Now what it is given, after some time he covered a distance of 85 meter. 85 meter वो चल के आगे गया. उसके बाद वो मान लो पोजीशन C तक पहुंचा. So if this is 85 meter, then what will be the distance CB? Then distance CB will be, तो total distance में से अगर मैं 85 minus करता हूँ, that will be the remaining distance. So it will be distance minus 85. Now पहला क्वेश्चन क्या दिया हुआ है, जब ये पोजीशन A पे था, जब उसने बुलेट फायर किया, तो तब उसे उस क्लिफ से कितना टाइम के बाद एको सुनाई दिया? That is at after 2 seconds. So for the first case, let us take time period is 2 seconds, which is given to us. Distance we don't know, so we'll keep it as distance as d. Okay. So now, according to the formula, 2d is equals to velocity multiplied by time. So d के जगह में d रहने वाला है, and in place of time, what we are going to substitute? Time value will be 2 seconds. So 2d is equals to v into 2. This 2 and this 2 gets cancelled. So what is left out? Distance and velocity value will be same. यानी कि यहाँ पे जो हमें find out करना है, what is the velocity of sound and how far the distance. यानी कि जो velocity मिलने वाला है, that will be same for the distance also. अब दूसरा केस क्या दिया हुआ है? Because we don't know the exact numerical value, so we'll try to identify that. Now that man moves towards 85 meter. So after that, where he is reaching? He is reaching at point C. So from that C, he hears an echo after 1.5 seconds. So for this case, so time is equals to 1.5 seconds. Now distance is equals to how much it is left out? That is d minus 85 distance is left out. So according to the formula, 2d is equals to v multiplied by time period. So 2 distance value will be replaced as d minus 85. Velocity, we have to find it because in question it is given that, and time period is 1.5. So what we are supposed to do, can I solve it? So 2d minus 170. We know that velocity is equals to distance. So v can be replaced as d, so it will be 1.5 d. Now if I shift it over here, so 2d minus 1.5d is equals to 170. And if I solve it here, it will be 0.5d is equals to 170, and distance will be twice, that is 340 meter. So distance is 340 meter. So what will be about its velocity? So distance is equals to velocity. So velocity value will be equals to 340 meter per second. In this way we are supposed to solve the question, and this is very important question. Mark it as an important.